Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. This is the true life story of Blessed Geza, a Zimbabwe's war veteran also known as Comrade Bombshell, who died in the early hours of the 6th of February 2026.
This is yours, truly, Blessed Runesu Geza, Comrade Bombshell.
Blessed Runesu Geza was a Zimbabwean Liberation War veteran and politician born in 1943. He played a significant role in Zimbabwe's fight for independence and later became a prominent figure in national politics. Geza was a member of the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front ZANU-PF and served on the party's Central Committee. He was known for his outspoken nature and criticism of government leadership, particularly President Emmerson Mnangagwa, which led to his expulsion from ZANU-PF in March 2025. He passed away on February 6, 2026 at a cardiac hospital in South Africa at the age of 83. The key highlights of Blessed Geza's life include the liberation struggle. Geza joined the Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army ZANLA during the Second Chimurenga fighting against colonial rule. In his political career, he transitioned into politics, becoming a prominent figure in ZANU-PF and serving on the Central Committee. In terms of criticism and expulsion, Geza's criticism of President Mnangagwa led to his expulsion from ZANU-PF in 2025. And finally, his legacy: he was a vocal advocate for social justice, land reform, and human rights. Blessed Geza's family includes his wife Rosaline Ndaizivei Tawengwa, was arrested in February 2025, reportedly to pressure Geza to surrender. For more stories, please do like and subscribe as Zimstake Media.